In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get dark mode on iMessage in 2025. Whether you're a night owl or just someone who prefers the aesthetic of a darker background, enabling dark mode on your iPhone can make a big difference. Not only does it reduce glare in low light conditions, but it can also be easier on the eyes. So let's walk through the steps to switch your iMessage and your phone to dark mode. First, we're going to start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, I know most of us are quite familiar with the settings icon, but just in case, it's the grey gear shaped icon that comes standard with every iPhone. Once you have that opened up, the next thing you're going to do is scroll down until you find the option labelled Display and Brightness. Go ahead and tap on that. This section holds all the keys to changing the appearance of your screen, brightness level, and where you'll switch between light and dark modes. Once you're in the display and brightness settings, you'll see two options under the appearance section, light and dark. The light mode is usually enabled by default, giving your phone its standard bright appearance. What we're going to do is switch it to dark. Simply tap on dark, and you'll instantly notice a significant change. Your entire interface will transform to a darker tone. This switch affects the system-wide settings, meaning every app that supports dark mode, including the Messages app, will now adopt this darker theme. You'll find that your iMessage conversations now appear with a black or dark grey background, which can be particularly soothing to look at in dim environments. It's not just about the look though. This change can also improve battery performance on OLED screens, as darker pixels generally require less power. And that's it. By enabling dark mode through your display settings, you've now successfully switched your iMessage app to dark mode along with the rest of your phone. It's really that simple and quick. Remember, if you ever want to switch back to light mode, you just retrace your steps back to the appearance section in display and brightness and select light again. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful and are now enjoying your iMessage in a whole new light, or shall we say, new dark. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be more than happy to help out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tech guides. Until next time, take care.